Are you looking for the best impact socket set? With the rising interest in automotive repair, home DIY projects, and heavy-duty mechanical work, the demand for reliable impact socket sets has surged. Both professionals and weekend warriors are looking for socket sets that offer durability, complete size coverage, and exceptional performance under pressure. This guide breaks down the best impact socket sets available today, evaluating them based on build quality, material strength, layout variety, and overall value for money.
Product number 1. NEIKO 02448A half-inch drive master impact socket set, 65-piece. The NEIKO 02448A is a powerhouse in the impact socket world. Featuring 65 pieces covering both SAE 3/8 inch to 1 1/4 inch and metric 10 to 24 millimeters sizes, it's perfect for mechanics needing comprehensive size coverage. Constructed from premium CRV chromium vanadium steel, the sockets are heat-treated and coated with a black phosphate finish to resist corrosion and wear. What stands out is the 6-point design, which ensures a stronger grip on fasteners and reduces the risk of rounding. The blow-molded case is organized and rugged for easy portability. Whether you're in a garage or on-site, this set is built for tough environments. For the price, durability, and scope, NEIKO hits the sweet spot for both pros and serious DIYers.
Product number 2. vevor half-inch drive impact socket set, 65-piece. vevor delivers excellent value with its 65-piece impact socket set, also featuring both SAE and metric sizes. The sockets are forged from CRV steel, ensuring strength and longevity under high torque use. Each socket is coated in black oxide finish for corrosion resistance and has laser-etched size markings for quick identification. The set includes a ratchet adapter and extension bars, adding extra convenience. Although it mirrors NEIKO's layout, vevor stands out with its slightly lower price point and comparable performance. It's especially well suited for auto technicians and general-purpose mechanics who want a durable and complete set without spending a fortune. The included storage case is compact and well organized. For budget-conscious buyers who still want a professional-grade kit, vevor is a solid contender.
Product number 3. DEWALT impact socket set with ratchet, 23-piece. If you're seeking quality over quantity, the DEWALT 23-piece impact socket set offers just that. It includes a mix of both SAE and metric sizes, making it ideal for common tasks without the overwhelm of unnecessary pieces. Built from high-strength CR440 steel, each socket is designed to withstand repeated use with high-torque impact tools. DEWALT's direct torque technology reduces fastener rounding, improving longevity and efficiency. The set also includes a high-quality ratchet and comes in a stackable, durable hard case that integrates with other DEWALT Tough System tools. While it doesn't offer as many sizes as other kits, it excels in durability, performance, and build quality, perfect for professionals and hobbyists who prefer reliable tools from a trusted brand.
Product number 4. 29-piece half-inch drive impact socket set with extension bars. This 29-piece impact socket set offers a well-balanced mix of essential SAE 3/8 to 1 inch and metric 10 to 24 millimeter sizes, making it ideal for users who want just the right amount of variety without going overboard. Made from heat-treated chrome vanadium steel, each socket is coated in manganese phosphate for long-term corrosion resistance. The inclusion of 2 extension bars increases versatility, allowing users to reach tight or recessed fasteners easily. Each socket is clearly marked and housed in a compact, durable case that's easy to store or transport. This set is perfect for intermediate DIYers and mechanics who need the essentials and appreciate the added reach of extensions. It's a solid mid-range option that offers value and durability without unnecessary bulk.
Product number 5. 32 PCS 1/2 inch drive impact socket set, heavy-duty industrial grade. Tailored for serious professionals, this 32-piece heavy-duty socket set is built to take abuse. Covering all major SAE and metric sizes in deep socket format, this set is perfect for tackling lug nuts, axle bolts, and recessed fasteners. Made from high-quality, industrial-grade chrome molybdenum steel,
These sockets offer superior strength compared to standard chrome vanadium alternatives. Each piece is laser etched and roll stamped for long-lasting size visibility. The set includes both standard and deep socket options, giving users flexibility for various tasks. Its durable carrying case keeps the tools secure and organized during transport. If you're a heavy user, such as a diesel mechanic or industrial technician, this set delivers professional performance and longevity worth every penny.